In front of me is Honor 400 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Lite Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent in the pop-up, click on this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to. Then click at the top right corner, bottom right corner, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Apply, and then go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!